Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to erase and clean install MacOs. Continue holding the power key until you see the startup options. Continue holding for startup option. Once loading startup option, release the power key. Tap option, continue. Choose your preferred language and tap this right arrow. Choose disk utility and tap continue. This is my internal hard drive. Right click on it and tap erase. Kindly reconfirm the drive format and tap erase. Now my hard drive successfully erased, and close the screen and connect your Wi-Fi connectivity. And choose reinstall macOS and tap continue. Make sure your device must be connected to the power. Continue the screen. Accept the license agreement and hit agree, and choose your internal drive. Tap continue. Now the new macOS is going to install on my drive. Thank you for watching Gulf Tech channel.